shall we have a small activity regarding the biomedical specified wearable devices application oriented companies whatever they have and what are the products they have going. Okay, we'll have a small activity regarding that. Each team will have one company. You are based on one company, you are based on one company, you are another company. You can have an activity of how you people create a product. Okay? Yes, it's fine.
So Medtronics is a globally used and widely used in medical devices in our day-to-day life, and is primarily aimed at the cardiac wearable devices, and it also aimed at the wearable implant devices in our day-to-day life.
So our company is Garmin. In Garmin there are a lot of devices used on health sectors and sports athletes, like different sectors. In health sectors, Garmin Venu. The device model name is Garmin Venu 22 or 33. In this, we are used to monitor the stress reduction. And in sports, Garmin Forerunner 999. This model is 999. In this, it is very useful for the athletes and sports people.
And our company is Apple. Apple is widely popular company in worldwide because in every sector Apple have their brand and their own products also. Apple is the best brand in our world because it gives a best security to our data and it works for our life. It gives life for their products also, and it gives a good results with a fast number designs also.
So Medtronics is a good widely known medical device that are especially in the case of wearable devices. So they are mostly targeting the market of cardiac monitoring and glucose monitoring. So I came up with a well-known device in every hospitals and the most familiar one, which is used, that is Medminic TM. So they have their three versions of this Medminic TM. So 670G and 780G and 770G. So the overview of this machine is completely all about the insulin pumping machine. So that the patients who have sugar, they have low insulin or high insulin, it's monitoring the insulin level and it's pumping insulin through the body. So mostly this device is a wearable device, that is implant. So which is placed in the abdomen of our skin, which is continuously pumping the insulin for the person who lacking of getting an insulin from their own body. So it's very useful for the people who have diabetes and also for the children who have born sugar levels. For the people who get nutrition daily for education, it will be easy for them to implant their device in their body. Also, they have a CGM, that is continuous glucose monitoring, which is integrated with the Medminic, that is insulin pump, which is monitor. The CGM machine they have separate machine for CGM, and also they have a interconnected implemented machine, that is Medminic. Medminic 780G have the CGM and insulin pump together. The CGM machine is continuously monitor the glucose, not pump the insulin to our body. It's monitor the glucose 60 minutes before itself. The insulin level will be low or higher, because the insulin monitoring is very important for in some cases it will be too risky if their insulin level is very low, or it will be very high. In some cases they get paralyzed and all. So the glucose monitoring is very important. They show their innovation in that field. They have their glucose monitoring system into their insulin pump. So by integrating these two, they get their innovating machine, which is most widely used in all hospitals now.
So in our company Garmin, in our devices we have long-term battery life. We not only focus on healthcare, we also focus on swimming related divers. There is a model called Garmin Swim and Garmin Descendants. It is particularly focused on swimmers and divers. They do go into underwater research. So it is have right mode vision, dive integration. We can able to monitor their SpO2 level, heart rate, and we also have a device that is for military purpose. It It is Garmin Tactics. It also have night mode vision, tracking GPS. So we can able to track if any soldiers are injured, can able to save them necessarily.
So in healthcare monitoring, Apple tracks the heart rate and ECG and blood pressure also, and even it alerts when the irregular rhythms of heart rate or blood pressures. And it, in emergency features, it has to directly contact the emergency service also.
In smartwatches of Apple, the radiation does not affect our skin. In some brands, the radiation of such smartwatches uses skin energy to be useless. But in Apple, it's best one because if they use their quality products and sensors to their watch.
In Medtronics launched a new versions of cardiac monitoring. It monitors continuous heart rates and the rhythms of heartbeats. It is one of the best cardiac heart monitoring system. This version is based upon the cardiac vascular system. It is the
So LNQ is an insettable cardiac monitoring device which is famous for worldwide for the world's smallest long-term heart rhythm monitoring machines. So when we are talking about we all three provide different companies and they are different equipments and different wearable devices they came up with. So all I can see is their own innovation and own idea. They combine together and make a machine which is usable for human beings. As a biomedical engineer, we all wish to create a place in that company. But my vision is to make equipment which is more innovative and more useful for the patients. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.